Well guys, it's Monday. I think I'm gonna go ahead and paint half of these I got done, and while they drying I'll do the other half, clean them up good. That's about all this little makeshift table to hold one time. So we'll get to it. Well, it's been about an hour or so, maybe an hour and a half. Got them primed on both sides. Well, I got to touch up a little bit on that one. Got one side painted, a little bit of touch up on that one. So got all the other half all cleaned up, and as soon as I get these painted, they'll be ready for prime and paint too. So stay tuned. Well, it's day 3, Wednesday, and I've got one primed and a couple painted. I got a couple of them painted yesterday. I had to touch up the other side today. I just ain't got enough room to paint a whole lot at one time. I could probably put 3 on this little table and paint, but this one was pretty bad rusty. It wasn't rusted through too bad, but it was getting there. Got a little bit of rust through up here in the front. That one was in pretty good shape, and then this one I just did was in pretty good shape. I'm gonna have to order 2 more because I got 2 that's just so bad rusty, and I'm afraid they ain't even gonna last to be put back on. This one, see how bad this one is. Quit rocking. This shot, and then I guess this one, well, no, hell, that ain't too bad. It's this one. This one's shot too. So I'll have to order 2 more of them. I'll have to fix that one. I was planning on replacing it. The damn edge on it is shot where it was been rolled on. Try to tack that edge back and bend that back, reuse that one. I'm fixing to get ready to rivet this floor down. It's too damn windy to paint today, so I'm not going to be able to paint the inside, but I'll at least get the floor riveted down. Got this piece primed and ready to paint. I run out of primer yesterday. I was going to do more of these shields. I run out of primer and had to quit, so went by Walmart and picked up 3 extra large cans of rusted metal primer. A lot cheaper than the last ones I bought at Home Depot, and bigger too. So I'm gonna let this dry and paint it, and then I'm gonna get 2 or 3 more together and sand and do them, and then we're gonna put this floor in. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I got half of these painted and the other half left to do. So lots of work on them jokers. I'm going to have to touch up the paint because I scratched them up, put them back together, but they look a lot better than they did anyway. Alright, I got started today, and got 2 rivets in. That's birdcraft there beside that one. Kind of scratched up my paint job there, but I haven't used my 90-degree angle drill bit to get in there. It's tight. Kind of a pain. That old floor is pretty hard metal, so just slow going. If I set it up for you can see, I basically marked my holes. I want to drill. There's my mark, but I got to back up and get off that edge there a little bit. I'm going to come back to here. That's pretty tough metal. I'm going to put a rivet in here, and I'm going to make sure it goes all the way down in that other metal. Well, hell, that ain't how it's supposed to work. It's supposed to break the end of it, right? That's some shit. The one I'm gonna film is the one that damn acts crazy. I got to find them pliers. Ah! No aluminum rivets. Ain't worth shit. This is even more harder as I go down. Well, I'm just scratching the hell out of my paint. That didn't sound like it had much meat to it. Probably didn't. I probably backed up too far. That did a little better. I want to weld up that bolt down there. Anyway, that's how it goes when it works right. So I'm going to get the rest of these put in. And this back's going to be fun. Because there's a pretty good, the hell can you tell? Yeah, there it is. Pretty good split back there in the back. We'll have to push that back a good bit. Well, my battery died on my drill, and I missed that. Didn't get deep enough in that corner right there. I started drilling another one. It seemed like it was too hard, so I drilled another and my battery died. So we got to wait until tomorrow. And then I got to get 2 more of these, because there's 3. There ain't no count. I got 4 left to clean, 7 left to paint, and half the springs left to paint. And she'll be done, and I'm headed for the house, because it looks like it's going to rain here slightly, shortly. So, till then, take care.